In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a photo as a PNG file in Leonardo AI Desktop. If you've already created images in Leonardo AI and want to download one in a format that's easy to use for editing, sharing, or keeping high image quality, this process is very simple. We'll be working directly inside the Leonardo AI Desktop interface and using the built-in download option. To begin, open the Leonardo AI app. Once the app has loaded, look for the library section in the main interface and click on it. This is where your saved and generated content is organized. So it's the best place to locate images you've already created. After that, click on Your Generations. This section displays the images you've made in Leonardo AI, making it easy to browse through your previous results. If you've created a lot of images, take a moment here to find the exact one you want to save. When you see the image you want, click on it to open it. This will bring up a larger view, which lets you confirm that you've selected the correct generation before downloading it. It's a good idea to double-check the image at this stage, especially if you have several similar versions. Next, look for the download icon and click it. Once you do, the image will automatically download as a PNG file. That means you don't need to manually change the file type or adjust any export settings in this workflow. Leonardo AI handles that for you automatically. After the download finishes, you can usually find the PNG file in your computer's default downloads folder, unless your browser or desktop app is set to save files somewhere else. If needed, you can move or rename the file afterward to keep your images organized. And that's all it takes to save a photo as a PNG file in Leonardo AI Desktop.